Number 20 has a graph. It says that the graph gives the number of visitors in millions of the top 5 websites in 2013. And they have labeled those websites here at the bottom. They're being so creative, calling them A, B, C, D, and E. The question is, calculate what percent of the visitors of these 5 products was due to website A. Okay, so we're only considering website A, which is 1,499, but to figure out the percentage, it's 1,499 out of the total number of visitors. So to get the total, I have to take all of these numbers and add them up. And so when I do that, I think I'd done this earlier. Let me see. There it is. I get 4,836. So when you take the numerator and divide it by the denominator, you get 0.309966. It just goes on after that. But your answer is supposed to be a percentage. So that means you have to multiply this times 100%. And that's going to make it 30.9966, blah, blah, blah. But my math lab says round to the nearest integer is needed. The 30 would be the nearest whole number integer, but the next number is a 9. So this is going to take me to 31%. And that's number 20. And what's the next one? 22. According to an autograph association, only 8% of autographs in circulation from a certain band are estimated to be real. If there are 70 authentic autographs, and when they say authentic autographs, that means we're talking about the real ones of the band in circulation, then how many non-authentic autographs are there in circulation? Okay. Only 8% that are in circulation are estimated to be real. And of those, there's 70. 8% would be 0.08. And we know that there are 70 out of, we don't know. What's the total out of the total, right? If you take 70 and divide it by the total, that gives you 0.08. So let's just call the total T. So in order to figure this out, I probably should be using the formula. My bad. It is percent times the base equals the amount. So we know a percent, that is 0.08. I don't know what the base is. The base is the total number of autographs in circulation, but I do know that there's 70. All right. So to figure out B, we're just going to take 70 and divide it by 0.08. Sorry, that weird noise. My laptop's making a funny noise on my desktop here. Okay, so I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to take 70, divide it by 0.08, and that tells me that there's 875 in circulation. That's what's in circulation. Their question, though, was how many non-authentic autographs are there in circulation? There's 870 total, 875 total, and 70 of those are authentic. So if you subtract 70 from that, the final answer is 805 that are non-authentic.